We tested a couple different targets at a couple different heights, letting you know that the equipment isn't always to blame. Reminding you to check the vehicle and any adjustment that may be there, along with any variables in your work area that could be affecting the calibration. Good testing helps separate opinion from facts.
So look, 649 for sedans. It actually wants it even higher. We're going to go up to 649. Let's see what happens. Is 649 even listed here? Nope. Good times, baby. Now I'm going to try something. I'm going to move the box and the car and the frame. A little bit clearer around the vehicle. Let's try this again. Nothing changed. These are reference values. Okay, so all the values given have been too high. Now, I'm going to adjust it based on the actual emblem and sensor. In my opinion, this is about the center of that sensor. In my opinion, this measurement should be about 610 millimeters. We will now see what happens. So nothing's really changed except for our height. Nothing's changed. Oh, I don't trust this. Take this up. Now we're getting somewhere. I'm going to try something else. I'm going to switch it up just to see if anything changes and put my original Honda cone middle of the radar sensor, and let's set it up. Nothing has changed. So we learned quite a few things today. First of all, we learned that what is available in one vehicle is not available in another.